before. We'll see what it looks like after.
This is actually the first time I used the
Move out of the way there.
tree slayer.
Big poplar tree right there. There's a few dogwoods in there I'm going to try to save. And then another big poplar right there. We'll see what it looks like in a few minutes. Here we go. There's that poplar tree. Right there. And swing around this way. All that cleared out. Aside from a couple of oak trees and dogwoods. All cleared out. I'm not sure what the time is, but I'll check it when I go back to review.